To start with, you have a 6mm Allen head right here, and you're just going to place that in there, remove it, set the bolt aside. You got the harness right here, and there's a tab on the back. You're going to squeeze it with your thumb, pull up, pull out the ignition coil. Before installing the ignition coil, see if it has any silicone paste or dielectric grease in there. If it doesn't, add a little bit, just a tab. Then you can go ahead and place your ignition coil. Let it slide down, bottom out. Install your harness. You'll hear a click. Install your mounting bolt. There is no torque specs, so they just want you to bottom it out and then just give it a little tweak. Do the rest of the other cylinders with the coils, and the back of the V6 is easy to get to. You do not have to remove the upper intake, and you can get your coils easily.